In this video, I'll show you a trick for quickly animating fire in Quill. For the first step, I'll set the scene by painting in some logs and the floor. Next, create a new animation layer and give it a bunch of blank keyframes. Set the layer to loop, hit play, and then use the Animbrush technique by drawing on the playing layer to start building up your fire. You can adjust the brush size as you make your strokes to taper the flames a bit as they rise. Now, go ahead and alter the brush length to create extra details like sparks. Once you're happy with your animation, you can brush over it with the dodge tool while it's playing to really bring it to life and add a glow. You can also use the grab tool to make the flames wobble back and forth. You can add more detail to your scene by applying the same technique to the ground or the logs. You can also use the Animbrush technique to add a smoke effect.